I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn online banking. First, understand the convenience and security online banking offers for managing your money. You will need your bank account number and personal identification ready. Then, navigate to your bank's official website or download their secure mobile application from a trusted app store. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup process. Next, find the Enroll or Sign Up button, usually prominent on the home page. You will then be guided to create a secure username and a robust password, ideally containing at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, verify your identity through a one-time code sent to your registered mobile phone or email address, ensuring your account's security. Once logged in, you can easily view your current account balances and review your transaction history for the past 90 days or more. You can also transfer funds between your checking and savings accounts or send money to friends and family. Setting up recurring bill payments for your monthly expenses like rent or utilities is also straightforward, saving you time. Finally, always prioritize security. Use strong, unique passwords for your online banking and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Be vigilant against phishing attempts. Your bank will never ask for your full password via email. If you encounter any issues or have questions, do not hesitate to contact your bank's dedicated customer support team for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.